this is Minecraft Man 5035. I have changed phones from my mom's old one to mine. Well, from mine to my mom's old one that doesn't have anything on it. So I'm going to continue with the Voltz explosives. This one is called the ep3, that word. And I've actually just blew one of these up. And I want to get as far away from this as I can. It's blue. And it shoots stuff, kind of like the one I did before. And it shoots ice around. I'll show you how far in just a... Holy crap, that was further than the last one. See, the last one I did is way over there, and this one's way over here. You see the difference? There is no difference. Let's see what the crater is. Wow, that's pretty cool. So I'm gonna fly way over here and show you a... Well, actually, ender explosives. I don't know what this does. I have no idea what this does. Alright, let's see. What the flip? Shoot, 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 shoot. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Whoa! Look at all the little endermen. Huge endermen. Let me do something real quick. I'll show you it. I'll show it to you in just here. Watch. Sup, bro? I'm looking at you. Deal with it. Hey. Okay. Come on, ice. Start. What's going on? Got nausea or something. Nausea. Frostbite. Okay. So let's get out of here and go test another explosive. Yeah, I don't think this one's camera's as good as mine. So, antimatter explosives. This one is supposed to be huge. I can't back up. Alright, here we go. Wish these bubbles would stop. I need to get further away than this. Now I'll look at my camera. Alright, there we go. Oh no. What just happened? You see it? It's a huge... Oh my god. That's enormous. That's antimatter. I don't know how deep that would have gone, but that's pretty cool. Now, there's another one I need to show you. It's called red matter. It's actually the last one. This is going to be a rather short episode. This one ain't as big. That's... Whoa. Hey, creepers. Die. That's cool. It sucks everything into it. Come on, Enderman. As far as I know, it keeps going until... Whoa, shoot! I just sucked it into it. Oh. Until you feed an antimatter into it, it just keeps going. Now there's a special one I want to show you, and that is from the, Makesman pack, whatever that says. It is Obsidian TNT. I have it number 2. See? It's right there. It's right there. Really? Oh man, I'm way back over here. Where's 2? Where'd he go? I don't know where it went. I'm not sure if I should do more Voltz stuff or what. But, still, that's Obsidian TNT. Go back away from here so you can see the full effect. It's just a way bigger explosion. So, yeah. that's been Minecraft Voltz explosions. Actually, let me show you one more. Oh no, that was